Today I got my washer, dryer. I also got the last part of the bed that I need. I cannot wait to set it up tonight. The landlady actually just called me and told me we have 2 pools. We have a pool at the rooftop that's not complete, but we also have a pool in the gym. I didn't even know this building had a gym because I was just about to pay for gym membership. But yeah, I'm excited to experience that. I wasn't going to vlog today, but I decided to share the experience with you. Here is my washer and dryer. It's so huge. The bad thing about this is that the company that delivers this, I don't have to pay for it. It comes with the house. They just hadn't put it in yet. I think this was like a new apartment, but the company that delivers it does not install it, so I have to wait for someone to come and install it, and that is messing with my... I'm not OCD, but I feel like, oh my god, now it's going to be here in my way to the bathroom. Like, what the hell? Anyway, let's go check this stuff out. I'm such a terrible YouTuber. I got in there and I was so scared, like I couldn't record, but we'll go back tomorrow morning for sure. Yo, this thing is too heavy. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, it has worked. I think it's working. Is it? I'm jumping. Oh my god. You see what I'm jumping on the bed like a monkey. It's 10 minutes to midnight and the bed is done finally. Oh my god, I started doing this at around 7, so it's been about 5 hours and I've been at this bed thing. Anyway, at least I'll put one more thing on my CV now. I can set up an IKEA bed for 5 hours and I charge $40 per hour, so you can do the math. $200 to set up your IKEA bed. I'm joking. It's Saturday morning and I'm finally getting internet, you guys. I haven't had Wi-Fi all week. I haven't done anything. I've been chilling. This has been one of those weeks. I don't know, man. I feel like my laziness of July has kind of leaked into August, but now I feel a little bit more settled in. I just need a chair and some blinds, but that doesn't matter for now. I need to pamper myself a little bit. The internet guy just went downstairs to fix something in the server room, but like I feel like I need to pamper myself a little bit and just reset myself. I even feel like I need a massage. You know what, let me get all these things done. I also need to shop some healthy food because healthy lifestyle matters. You guys, have been sucking lately. I've been eating burgers, pasta. If you check what's in my fridge right now, it's pasta and sausages and what. Not that that stuff is bad, but like that's all I've been eating. Chocolate, what? I'm just like, oh my god, this move has been so hard on me and I haven't even realized that. But yeah, mentally, physically, even maybe emotionally, I'm just now realizing, because it takes some getting used to. I still haven't gone back to the gym, by the way. Anyway, I also need to go get some sneakers because I've been doing a lot of home workouts which don't require me to wear sneakers. Now I'm just going to buy some nice running shoes and all that, get into the whole gym life again. I feel like I want to start carrying weights now, so I hope you guys are ready for that kind of content, getting into weightlifting. I really want to get serious about my diet and eating healthy, so I went out and got some food. That wasn't the plan, but it just so happened that my friend was going to Costco, which is right close to me, and he called me and he's like, do you want to get some stuff? I went to get stuff, but I ended up only getting food instead of getting what I actually needed, which is a work chair and other stuff. I only got some healthy food, well, not a lot, I got some bananas, a pineapple. This one is too ripe. It's been here a while, so I'm going to just throw it out. I got olive oil. I had this, some yogurt. I got blackberries, cherry tomatoes. This I had, spinach I had. I got some chicken and some more fruit. That's a good start. At least I have some healthy food to get started. In the meantime, I need to go do my nails. They look so terrible. I actually called. I have an appointment at 3:30. It's probably like 3:15 right now. The place is 3 minutes away from here, but since I'm new to this neighborhood, if I tell you what has been going on this week, you guys, on Monday I got lost. I took an Uber to work. On Tuesday I also got lost again because of construction downtown. I'm going to show you everywhere it's construction. All the buses, all the public transport just happens to be in different spots, so if you're not in that neighborhood, you kind of don't know. I was very frustrated. I actually cried in the taxi on Tuesday. And the guy wanted to cancel the trip. I had a meltdown. I cried like a little child, you guys. I cried, oh my god, what am I going to do? I'm late for work. The guy goes like, oh my god, madam, I'm so sorry. The guy started apologizing, and then I just got a free Uber ride. Then Wednesday, Thursday, I kind of figured out the drill. Anyway, that's not the whole point. I wanted to show you how terrible my nails look because it looks so bad. And I want to take you around the neighborhood because I'm also experiencing it for the first time. Look. They look so bad. Anyway, let's go. Look what I found, you guys. Check it out. Love this neighborhood. As I was walking, I found volleyball. Look. Whoa. Wait, I wanted to show you the guys on bikes, but volleyball right here. Getting ready for the week, and part of getting ready for the week of course involves cleaning around. I'm doing my laundry. That's the noise that you can hear in the background, but I also need to go get some sneakers because I'm going to start going to the gym. We're going to start weightlifting because I haven't been working out lately. I don't want to make this my workout area too because it's already my sleeping area, my work area, and my kitchen area. That is why I've decided that I'm going to start going to the gym, which is right opposite my place, or there is a gym in the building that I had to show you guys and I still haven't shown you. Got my shoes. We live in cages, man. Now I'm going back home to finish my Sunday cleanup routine. Yo, downtown is a mess. Sunday and all the places were closing. This is the nearest place I could find New Balance, and I think these are nice. I bought some running sneakers and they will do the job. Most importantly, I'm having a friend over right now. I need to finish up my cleaning so that she finds the place clean. I don't have seats. I don't know where we are going to sit, but we'll figure that out when she gets here.